The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 has finally been officially introduced. There are several differences between the model currently being introduced and the one that was initially launched. The 650 shotgun that first launched wore a contrasting color scheme with flame-like graphics and was hand-painted, not machine-painted. Meanwhile, the mass-production ones are available in 4 simpler colors, namely green drill, plasma blue, sheet metal gray, and stencil white. The Shotgun 650 uses the same base as the Super Meteor 650. The engine is the same, 648cc 2-cylinder inline which produces 47 torques and 52.3 Nm of torque. Regarding features, it is more or less the same as the Super Meteor, such as LED headlights, instruments for navigation, and dual-channel ABS. The difference between the Shotgun 650 and the Super Meteor is in rider ergonomics. Not made to be a relaxed cruiser, the Shotgun has a more upright seating position because the handlebars are flatter and the footrests are slightly to the middle, not the front. Another difference is the rim size. The Shotgun 650 uses a combination of 18 inches at the front and 17 inches at the rear. Meanwhile, for the Super Meteor, the front rim is bigger, 19 inches, but the rear is only 16 inches. This difference in tire size certainly affects the suspension settings, but the model used is still the same. The front is an upside-down model and the rear is double with a shockbreaker. If you look in more detail, the Shotgun has a higher seat than the Super Meteor, shorter dimensions, and is 1 kilogram, 240 kilogram, lighter. However, the tank capacity is smaller, only 13.8 liters, unlike the Super Meteor which reaches 15.7 liters. The Shotgun 650 will be offered with a choice of single-seater or pillion models for passengers. As for the price, Royal Enfield has not yet determined how much. It is only estimated at 300,000 rupees.